Welcome to our backyard barbecue episode of the Co-op Cookin Show, powered by Arkansas Valley Electric.
We're amateur chefs and co-hosts. I'm Barbara Jenkins.
And I'm Emily Staten. Our mission is to honor our rural roots and spotlight Arkansas living recipes throughout the decades.
Today, we're going to spotlight some delicious recipes to help you elevate your grilling game.
Let's get out there.
We've relocated to our outside kitchen for today, and we are going to start off today's episode with Mesquite grilled lemon shrimp. And I don't know about you, but nothing says a nice summer treat than shrimp. So let's get started.
Okay, so I think we start by putting the shrimp on the skewers.
Never skewered before. So we got our shrimp skewered, and now it's time to mince some garlic. Just one clove. Perfect. Yeah, one drawback about grilling is the flies.
Yes.
It seemed like when we picked this location to film, there were no flies, and as soon as we got the food out,
They
came
disappeared.
They just came.
Yeah.
So
And they're everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle the shrimp with the Mesquite seasoning. We are going to combine the butter, the lemon juice, the Worcestershire sauce, and the minced garlic. And then we're gonna brush it all onto the shrimp.
So I'm gonna get rid of this garlic.
We're gonna take a wild guess on how much lemon juice is the juice of one lemon.
That'd be a lot,
I think that's
wouldn't
good.
it? The juice of one lemon?
It isn't juice as much as you think.
I don't know.
Surely that's good, right?
Surely.
Just a little more. And then a teaspoon of that. You wanna take a wild guess at it?
Oh yeah. My husband says, let our ancestors tell us, so.
Looks like 3 teaspoons.
Ancestors are spicy.
Okay, do you wanna whisk it all together maybe?
Sure.
And then we'll brush it on. I'm excited. This looks fabulous, and it's so fast to prepare.
Yeah, this has not taken long at all.
No. Okay.
Last one.
They look
It's
so
complete.
good. The Mesquite seasoning, I think, makes them get a little bit darker. So we are going to set these aside and go on to the next recipe. Up next is our grilled corn salsa. The recipe is from Louise Runyon from Swifton, Arkansas. So we're gonna go ahead and shuck this corn and then spray it down with Pam and put it on the grill for 20 minutes.
This is gonna be, I think, my favorite.
Yes, it's gonna be pretty and colorful. I'm excited. And I love salsa
Oh yeah.
of all kinds. Oh, that's so good.
I lived in Ohio for a while, and when I would drive back and forth from the office, from where I lived, I would drive through numerous cornfields. That would be all it was between me and the office. Because I worked for a rural association, and oh, it was so pretty. And in the fall, corn everywhere.
I can see that.
They grew it commercially in their backyards.
Right. Have you
Corn all
noticed
the
the
time.
ones in the Paris bottom lately? The cornfields?
Yes.
They are looking pretty.
They really are. You ever done a corn maze?
I haven't. I always wanted to.
Me too.
Deal.
Corn's just pretty.
It is. Okay, so we're gonna spray it down. I'll let you do that.
Okay, spray the corn.
Spray the corn really well. Okay. So we'll turn it in 8 minutes. And in the meantime, we can go ahead and prep the rest of the stuff. Okay, so we have the tomatoes and the ground cumin, the salt and the pepper, the green onions, apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna need 2 cloves of garlic.
2 cloves.
Yes, diced. So we're gonna get all of that ready and go ahead and put it together in the bowl so that when the corn gets done, we can just cut it off the cob and put it straight in. black pepper, a pinch of salt. No, that's not true. Maybe 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I measured it earlier.
We highly recommend that you look at the ingredients list beforehand.
Yes. So we took the corn off the grill and we are going to cut it off the cob, and then we are also going to put 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into our salsa. Are you going to do this vinegar?
I'm going to do the vinegar. I think the entire office is going to know what we're doing.
I think they already do.
I think so too.
People keep walking around the corner. Are you cooking?
This makes me want to grill this weekend.
That is one of my favorite parts about summer, is cooking out. We are getting some sun. Oh wow, that feels dangerous. Like I'm gonna make a humongous mess.
Absolutely.
This
sounds silly, but it already is like swapping smells.
Yeah, so good. Do you want to taste it right now?
I do.
I do too.
Can you see that? How colorful? I know we've already done party foods, but this would be a fun party food.
It would. You know,
right, let's do it. I got a good helping. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
That's straight up salsa.
That's like street taco feeling.
Yes, ma'am.
I would.
This on top of a street taco.
Yes.
Absolutely.
That is so good. I could eat the whole thing of it.
Last but not least, we're gonna stuff some mushrooms, y'all. This is gonna be fun. I don't know if I'm a huge mushroom fan today. I was yesterday when she told me about doing this recipe. I got really excited. This morning I wasn't for sure. So we're gonna see how this turns out, but everything that we're putting into these mushrooms sounds really good. We've got melted butter, we've got cheese, and we've got breadcrumbs. Really can't go wrong with that. So let's get started. And it is sunny outside.
Yes.
The sun has changed since we've started this episode, so we're gonna get this going pretty quickly.
We've got our melted butter. We're gonna add our Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Do you want to stir?
Sure.
Maybe. I don't know if that's the best spoon, but we're gonna go for it.
It's the spoon we have.
Yes, and then just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Yummy. I don't really know what I expect them to taste like.
This is like caramelized.
It looks like it because of the breadcrumbs.
Yeah. It does not smell like caramel.
No, it's not.
This is savory.
I don't know if we're gonna need quite all of these.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we're gonna stuff the pretty ones
first.
Because I cut them and not all of them were camera worthy.
Maybe let's use like a...
We need something to
This?
scoop. Oh. Oh.
Awesome. I'm just here for moral support at this point.
Woo.
Very brown.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do we top these with anything?
I don't know. I think we should stay true to the Arkansas Living recipe.
Okay. So yeah, just a reminder, like all of these recipes come from Arkansas Living from the magazines. They've got, that's one of the coolest things I think about Arkansas Living is their recipes.
This one is from July of 1978. So this is an old recipe.
Yeah. We had a member call in yesterday and ask for an Easter cake.
Yes.
She had made it, I guess, for Easter, and then needed the recipe again, and it was from the February issue of this year.
That's 2023.
So if you guys ever like remember issues or whatever, remember recipes that you want to find, let us know.
Have become a staple in your family. We hear of that a lot.
Yes.
We would love to do them on the show.
Yeah, if you've got favorite recipes from Arkansas Living,
yes,
send them in, because that's what this whole cooking show is about. It's about cooking good food, really, and being able to eat it.
It is. Food brings people together. Okay, while you're finishing up, I'm gonna go ahead and
Yeah.
start putting them on. I'm really excited. I think if I were to do these any differently at all, and obviously I haven't tasted them yet, I would add something just for the color.
Yeah.
And we wait. How long was it?
No idea.
10 to 15 minutes until
cool.
mushrooms are tender. So I'm gonna put it for a 10.
Do we close it, you think?
And I'd say I did it for 12 actually. Yeah,
close it.
close it.
Because that heat is radiating.
It is hot, yes.
Off. It's a safe bet that the rest of the summer episodes will be inside.
Yes.
All right, guys, we'll be back when the mushrooms are tender.
What are you doing?
Okay, we realized that we didn't make a dessert for this episode, and we were okay with it, but then I remembered that I had this watermelon that I had bought for my personal life a few days ago that I had never gotten out of the truck. So we are winging it, and I'm doing a
I like your knife.
terrible job. It's what we have. But we have both seen grilled watermelon recipes.
Yes. Okay, I think they put salt on it and grill it.
Oh gosh,
Oh, wow.
it might have helped had I not been looking at the camera.
It might have.
We're going rogue.
I'm getting out of the way.
I think you should.
It feels like my life.
Oh heck yeah. Look at that.
Wait, we could probably make it out of this too.
I'm just gonna eat that.
Okay. Eat it. Oh, here we go.
Oh, there you go. Here we go.
Oh.
I'm gonna get the mushrooms
On the
out.
mushrooms. They might not be done. They might be overdone. They look fabulous.
Oh my gosh.
I think they're done.
I think they're done.
There's a plate over there.
Yes, they are. Good chances. It's
Good. Oh, good. Hello.
guys.
We may or may not be trying grilled watermelon.
That's what I was asking. Good.
Yeah.
What's that you're pulling off?
Stuffed mushrooms. Do you want one?
No, I didn't like.
Look, it is not good enough for this.
Come help us.
Yeah.
Come help us cut it and you can get a slice.
I'm afraid you're gonna cut your fingers off.
Yeah,
Thank you. I took it from Barbara. It was bad. We were bad.
why don't we just live with that?
Where you
That's
trying
what
to
I
cut
was
it?
thinking.
You want it on the rind?
Yeah.
I need a
you're
cutting
right. I
board
don't-
too.
It's not good. I just need you to know that this is being recorded and it will make it in the cooking show.
Oh, is it being recorded?
You're fine. That'd be nice. Oh,
Heck yeah.
one died.
There you go.
Thank you.
You need more than that cut, don't you?
I mean, it'll be fun.
Do you like watermelon?
That seems.
That seems right.
I mean, yeah, I do think so.
Okay.
Now what are we doing? You good with that?
I'm good.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Who told us about grilled watermelon?
TikTok.
Of course.
You should have known.
Of course.
I'm just eating off this over here.
And Barbara happened to have it in her truck, so.
Did.
They are trendsetters. It does.
I'm gonna try it with salt.
Will you
I've
take
never-
that stuff off?
I've never tried it with salt.
Thank you. We've had some sizzling fun today. We can't wait to hear which recipe is your favorite.
But don't worry, we have plenty more delicious recipes ahead, so make sure to like and subscribe below.
But it's not over yet. Stick around to see some special appearances from our co-op coworkers as they came to see what we were up to out there.
You might even see somebody you know. You wanna skewer some shrimp?
Hello. Don't judge us.
We're fun people, Rick.
Let's go online or what?
Eventually, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We've
Okay,
never grilled before, Rick.
I'm turning the camera off.
For real.
For real, for real.
For real, for real.
Let's see.
Yep. Well, they look good.
Thanks.
I'm away, man.
Not quite.
You're almost right on time. We're
Yeah.
almost done. You want some?
Do you want to be the
Are you ready?
taste tester?
We haven't even tried it yet. We saw it on
There you
TikTok.
go.
walk in front of this camera.
You do.
again.
You do.
Just trying to stay behind.
That's how Barrett was too.
Exactly the same, but
Okay, that works. We just thought it might be fun.
Yeah.
I think I'd really have a cold one.
For summer, yeah.
Yep.
Thanks for trying.
Yep, thank y'all.
You're welcome.